If you're a sound engineer and you want to get your first paid gig, watch this video and I'll teach you how to do it. This method is really easy. All you need is your phone and maps, Google Maps to be exact. If you're anything like me, you've seen all these videos about how to make your first X amount of dollars as a sound engineer, but I did something differently. I went on my phone and I searched churches near me. I got a list of all the churches that are near me, and I got their contact information, their Facebook pages, Instagram pages, and I wrote them down. I saved them on my phone, and I wrote them a message saying something to this effect. Hi, my name is Michael Pacheco, and I'm a sound engineer. And if your church is having troubles with sound quality, feedback, or you would like to have a system optimization or system upgrade recommendation, feel free to get in contact with me. Right under, I sent them the link to this YouTube channel so that they can see all the things that I do. I pretty much sent it to 12 to 15 different churches, and I said, okay, now I wait. Now we play the waiting game. I think it took 2 days for someone to respond to me. He pretty much said, yeah, I'm interested. When are you available? I was like, what? That was fast. So I sent him a message and I said, oh, I'm available on these days. The day came, we had to reschedule for different reasons, but eventually we did find time to meet up so that I can take a look at their sound system. And if you're interested in watching that video, feel free to click right over here or over here. I believe it's right here. That's the video that I made from that church. At the very end, I believe everyone was satisfied, and I made $1,000 out of that gig. Not only that, I had this other church that got in contact with me, but because of their pastor not being here or something, he or she, they're studying right now, they don't want to make any big investments yet, so they have me on hold. But the estimate of that system tune up or upgrade and everything is $1,800, which in US dollars, that is what, $900. That's almost $1,000. It took me looking up on Google Maps churches near me. I wrote down their contact information, I sent them a message, and I played the waiting game. Eventually, 2 of them did reply, and I got paid for it. Not only that, but the video that I made with the first client, the first church, I posted it, and some friends of mine, they shared it with their pastors and with different pastors from other churches, and they said, can he come to our church as well? And he said, yes, we can get in contact with him. So then now in the next couple of months, I do have some churches that I can go and fix their sound, and I'll get paid for that. So that's just an easy way for you to make money as a sound engineer. Of course, you can take that to another level. You can search churches near me, bars near me, or whatever it is that you want to do. In my case, I'm a Seventh-day Adventist, so I want to work with churches. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and if you're a church musician and you want to learn FL Studio, be sure to subscribe to the channel, because I will be dropping a very, very good series for you guys to watch. Yeah, leave a comment down below. What was your first paid gig as a sound engineer, and how much did you earn? So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.